Join me as we take a look at the top 7 food hacks that are supposed to boost digestive health. Can these really make a difference? When it comes to food hacks, most people think about quick meal prep or clever ways to use leftovers. But today, I want to talk about a different kind of food hack, the kind that can actually improve your digestive health. The truth is, what we eat has a huge impact on how our bodies function, and making a few simple changes to our diet can make a world of difference when it comes to digestion. Let's face it, digestive issues are no fun. Bloating, gas, irregularity. These are all common problems that many of us face on a daily basis. And it's not just about physical discomfort. Digestive issues can also affect our mood, our energy levels, and our overall sense of well-being. I mean, who hasn't felt frustrated and defeated when they're stuck in a cycle of bloating and discomfort? It's like your body's working against you rather than with you. But the thing is, digestive issues are often seen as a minor problem, something that we can just pop a pill for and forget about. But the truth is, digestive health is crucial to our overall health. Our gut is like a second brain, and when it's not functioning properly, it can affect everything from our mood to our immune system. So what can we do about it? Well, for starters, let's talk about some common digestive issues that many of us face. One of the biggest problems is bloating. That uncomfortable, tight feeling in your stomach that can make you feel like you're about to burst. And then there's gas, the embarrassment of passing gas in public, or the discomfort of having a stomach that's always churning and gurgling. And of course, there's irregularity, the frustrating experience of not being able to go to the bathroom when you need to, or the opposite problem of going too often. These might seem like minor issues, but they can all have a major impact on our daily lives. Okay, so now that we've talked about some common digestive issues, let's get to the good stuff. The top 7 food hacks that can help improve your digestive health. Coming in at number 7 is adding fermented foods to your diet. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt contain probiotics, which are like superheroes for your gut. They help crowd out the bad bacteria and promote a healthy balance of gut flora. At number 6 is eating ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce bloating and discomfort. Plus, it's easy to incorporate into your diet. Just add some fresh ginger to your smoothie or stir fry. Coming in at number 5 is drinking peppermint tea. Peppermint is a natural relaxant that can help soothe an upset stomach and reduce cramps. At number 4 is taking a daily dose of omega-3s. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory fatty acids that can help reduce inflammation in the gut and promote healing. You can get them through fatty fish, flax seeds, or supplements. Coming in at number 3 is eating soluble fiber-rich foods like oats and barley. Soluble fiber helps slow down digestion and can reduce symptoms of IBS. At number 2 is incorporating healthy fats into your diet. Healthy fats like avocado and nuts can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy balance of gut flora. And the number 1 hack for improving digestive health is eating more fiber-rich fruits and veggies. Fruits and veggies are like a natural broom for your digestive system. They help sweep out toxins and promote regularity. But out of all these hacks, the one that I think can make the biggest difference is eating more fiber-rich fruits and veggies. The average American only gets about 15 grams of fiber per day, which is way below the recommended daily intake. And the truth is, fiber is essential for digestive health. It helps promote regularity, reduces symptoms of IBS, and even helps lower cholesterol levels. So, let's recap the 7 food hacks we've talked about today. Adding fermented foods to your diet, eating ginger, drinking peppermint tea, taking a daily dose of omega-3s, eating soluble fiber-rich foods, incorporating healthy fats into your diet, and eating more fiber-rich fruits and veggies. These hacks are simple, easy to incorporate into your daily life, and can make a huge difference when it comes to your digestive health. Thanks for watching, and if you found these hacks helpful, be sure to like and comment below with your own favorite food hacks for digestive health. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more health-related content.